Course title: Shoe and Bag Making, Leather Works. Welcome to EarthTab Business School. My name is Christoph Nagy, and I will be your course preceptor for the course Shoe and Bag Making, Leather Works. The Shoe and Bag Making, Leather Works course is a comprehensive, multifaceted program designed to train you into a skilled artisan and entrepreneur capable of producing high-quality, market-ready leather shoes and bags. This course combines practical hands-on training, theoretical understanding, and industry-standard practices, enabling learners to master the artistry, craftsmanship, and technical precision required in leather works. Leather goods are not only functional, they are a statement of style, elegance, and quality craftsmanship. This course equips you to create bespoke designs, mass-producible items, and innovative products that meet international standards. Learning outcomes. Upon completion of this course, you will be able to identify, select, and handle different types of leather and materials for shoes and bags, design, draft patterns, and produce professionally finished leather shoes and bags. Apply advanced stitching, assembly, and finishing techniques with precision. Implement quality control, testing, and market-ready evaluation for all products. Understand entrepreneurial strategies for branding, selling, and marketing leather goods. Integrate innovation and sustainability into leather product design. Operate independently or professionally in craft studios, fashion houses, or leather goods manufacturing. I look forward to congratulating you upon completion of this course.